Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, for the first method, head over to search and type in Virus and Threat Protection, then click on it. Once you're inside, go to Manage Settings. From here, you can turn off real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection by toggling them off. Now for the second method, head over to Search and type in Run, then open it. Inside the Run box, type regedit and click OK, then click Yes if prompted. Once the registry editor opens, expand HKey local machine, then expand Software, scroll down and expand Policies, then expand Microsoft. Now right-click on Windows Defender, select New, and then click DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value Disable Anti-Spyware, making sure you type it exactly the same way with the correct capitalization and no spaces. After that, right-click on Disable Anti-Spyware, click Modify, change the value data to 1, and then click OK. Once you've done this, restart your computer, and Windows Defender will be disabled permanently, and that's it. So that's basically how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.